Tanopinda ngamaredi.
I say
Okay.
What is your name again? 3 to 6 Express on Star FM.
All right, our hot topic for today, Manwe.
Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG Nedare. I am a married man aged 36 years. My wife and I have 2 kids, a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old. We have a live-in helper who joined the family last year after my wife decided to go back to work. I had insisted that Agare Pamba and take care of the kids and household, but it escalated quickly and became an issue. Yokuti, I'm blocking her from gaining financial independence. In her words, she said, "You can never fully provide for my every need." So that alone was a sign, Yokuti, please, I need to make my own money. So I allowed her to pursue that. So KVG, I don't know if this information is helpful or not, but I don't drink alcohol. My wife drinks alcoholic beverages. She hid it from me during courtship and I married her without knowing this. I later discovered that she was buying alcohol and stored it in her car and some in the garage. I couldn't exactly break up with her because munubo. Just that I'm not a fan of ladies that drink alcohol. So my hot topic now is the maid Akauya Uyu is very close ne mukadzi wangu to the extent that they now drink together during weekends. Vanototora vana and create a play area for them, weigh some music and start boozing. First time I came home to this, I was so disappointed. I took my wife aside and warned her about this behavior. Akanditi mskana is off, but hana kwenda, so she can drink on her off day. I decided to let it go, but made it so clear, kuti, this cannot happen again. But I'm here writing this hot topic because this behavior has continued. She keeps defending the helper, and now it's an issue that is bothering me so much. I reached out to her sister, and she said, Bamnin, my sister started drinking in school at Form 4. You can't make her stop now. She promised she was going to call her out on that bad behavior. My concern is now that she has become too close with the helper. Introducing her to these brands of alcohol might poison her tongue, and drinking on the job. And what am I exposing my kids to naivedari? They often say men should not get involved, but I want this to stop. Is it fair to say no alcohol pamba pangu to my wife, or it's a bit late to try change the rules? Please help. Yo I hot topic yetu ya namhlanje.
Well, it's never too late, I think. 0772162651. Thank you so much, Manube, for the hot topic. Messages are already coming in on our WhatsApp platform and voice notes too. You too can feel free to drop your contribution. Tibatsirane vedare, which is no fambisko say pagadai. On 0772162651, 0714-414-413. Those are the action lines. Munokwanisa kuti fonera, Tinzwe Pungwadzenyu. Hello, Star FM.
Hello.
Hi, Maswera say.
Hi, Taswera Shakanaka. Mini Maswera saying.
I want Taswera Shakanaka. Please go ahead, dear. I think the line dropped there. Please try and call again, 0772162651. Feel free to connect with us. Line Radona. We really want to hear your contribution. This one says, KVG Saki mukadzi benzi anopunza imba yake ne maoko ake hezvo mwanasikana ngare gedoro full stop. That's what I can say. 780. So you're saying kuti yes zvinoita kuti umumise kumwa doro pamba pako. Hello, Star FM.
Hello, KVG Nasaki.
Maswera say.
Mushe. From the way you read the Hotttopic, you can tell the panel murume wachiriko vaya vanonzi havako vakanaka vari softy ndofunga ndova munoda chaivo chaivo
musati daro.
akanisiya kuti kana pasina munhukadzi azvionawo izvozvo mataurwa azviri kuita this is a soft man anodiwa nevakadzi iyo. But now vakadzi vaya vada munhu akadaro tiri kuona vanhu vaya vachiabhuzwa, which is not good.
Yeah.
That's an abuse. first thing madrinks zvakurerutswa mazuva zvinzi madrinks ndo zvaita kunga zvinhu zvakareruka kuti alcohol. Madrinks aya haana kutaurwa before, araratidza kuti panapa madrinks aya akawigwa handiti zvikazobuda later. That's number one. They disrespect handiti ende kudisrespect a nice guy atataura nezvake because the way yaanareta you can tell kuti munhu haana hasha uyu munhu haavhundukire uyu munhu anoda munhu wake. Then the other thing is taakutrena main taakuita pamba pana baba vasingamwe alcohol pari kuvapia ezishi ndo patori place inogochwa